Hi guys, today I want to show you how to treat a painful knee at home with simple exercises. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you have any questions or any suggestions, don't forget to leave me a comment below. Let's get started. We start with the joint mobilization by moving the foot in and out. Stabilize the leg by holding it above the knee, but don't block the knee movement. I hold it in the position for a couple of seconds. Do it gently, we don't want to create too much pain. This is just a gentle mobilization. Repeat 10 times each movement. The second exercise is an isometric contraction for the quadriceps muscle. Keep the injured knee in 90 degrees flexion and try to extend the injured knee by lifting your foot up. With the other leg, block the movement. Push for 10 seconds. Start by using only 10% of maximum power so you don't have much pain. After 10 seconds, relax and repeat the exercise. This exercise is similar to the previous one, but we point the toes and the foot out so we can activate the vastus medialis muscle, one of the quadriceps muscle located medially in the thigh. Hold 10 seconds and repeat. Remember, start with only 10% of maximum power. If you don't feel any pain, you can increase the power gradually. The fourth exercise is a knee isometric extension. Lift the foot up and hold it for 10 seconds. This is a strengthening exercise for the quadriceps muscle. Repeat 10 times. For a better activation of the vastus medialis muscle, point the toes and the foot out. Hold for 10 seconds. In this exercise, I'm using a resistance band to strengthen the quadriceps muscle. Place the band around the ankle and lift your foot up. You need to feel the quadriceps muscle activating and firing up. If you want to challenge yourself, you can hold the leg in extension for 3 seconds. Repeat the exercise 10 times. The last exercise is a straight leg raise isometric contraction. Keep the back straight and hold the uninjured leg to your chest. Lift the injured leg a few inches and hold it for 10 seconds. It can be very hard to hold it for that long, so you can start with 3 seconds and then increase. Repeat 10 times. If the exercises help, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions or any suggestions, don't forget to leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.